Señor Presidente. As a draftswoman of the Development Committee's opinion on this report, I would like to say that the European Union should use this remarkable tool of external policy with wisdom and prudence. No matter the circumstances or the type of sanctions applied, there is always the potential of negative side effects that could generate regrettable situations. I strongly believe that sanctions should apply only when diplomatic persuasion has failed. And in order to be efficient, the EU always must have a comprehensive assessment of the situation, a coherent strategy and an accurate evaluation of the results. To uphold credibility and avoid the accusation of double standards, the EU has to be able to justify the adoption or non-adoption of sanctions based primarily on human rights grounds and arguments of effectiveness. Because I think it is crucial that by imposing sanctions, the European Union reveals its strengths and not its weaknesses.